So you got a phone with a Snapdragon 765G processor, you've got 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, 4500 mAh battery, a 6.81 inch Full HD Plus Pure View display. You've got a 24 megapixel selfie camera, a 64 megapixel main rear camera, flanked with two 2 megapixel cameras for depth sensing and macro shots. We're going to be taking a look at all these things and to see if this phone's tag as the James Bond phone is worth it. In the box, the first thing you get is the Nokia 8.3 5G itself, and picking this up you can immediately feel how hefty this device is. I mean, the weight, the heft to this thing is just absolutely incredible, and it gives it a very solid feel in hand. And if you know anything about Nokia devices, you know that they build some of the best quality smartphones out there in terms of their build quality. Now, further in the box, you got your SIM ejector tool, you've got your paperwork including a quick start guide and product information safety documentation. You've also got a TPU case, which is a nice inclusion. On the other side of the package, you've also got your 18-watt fast charging brick, you've got a pair of earphones and a USB-A to USB-C charging and data transfer cable. For the Nokia Power Earbuds Lite, you're getting a nice white case as well, and immediately you open it, you're going to be seeing the Nokia earbuds case itself. It's all white and it looks pretty nice. And looking around the case, you can see a USB-C charging port at the back of the case, and at the front you can see your power level indicator and then the 2 earbuds in the case. Now, talking about the build quality of the Nokia 8.3, let's just give it to Nokia. Nokia knows how to make seriously good feeling phones in the hand. I mean, the build quality of this thing is solid. It feels like a premium flagship smartphone. Although it's made from plastic, you'd be hard pressed to tell that this phone is actually made from plastic. Now, talking about the software on the Nokia 8.3, you all know that Nokia is on the Android One program. They're pretty much the only phone left on the Android One program right now, and this phone comes with Android 10 out of the box, but it's ready for Android 11 very soon. That will be coming to this phone. So software wise, I mean, it's very smooth and very fluid. You don't get any bloatwares. I mean, absolutely no bloatwares on this phone. You get just simply Google apps when you unbox it and set it up for the first time, and that's a good thing in my opinion. In terms of the performance, I mean, everything just works smoothly. You can see me switching through apps without any delay and without any stutters. So software on this device, I'd give it a B+. Moving on to the video and display on the Nokia 8.3, we got a 6.81 inch Full HD Plus Pure View display on this device, and it's crisp. I mean, it makes everything look really nice. I really like how Nokia has calibrated the display to look. I mean, makes it look a little bit more premium than the price range that it comes in at. So very good display here. Playing videos on YouTube and platforms like Netflix, you'll be restricted to 1080p videos, but again, they look absolutely good. Color representations are good and viewing angles are good. For the price of the Nokia 8.3, it's going for about $650 internationally. Here in Nigeria, that's about 243,000 naira thereabout. Now, for some people, this is a very steep price point. But again, there are some things you should be looking at again that this phone offers you. Number one on the list is the fact that this phone is on the Android One program, so you're sure to be getting 2 years of full Android OS update. The second reason why you should probably consider this device is the fact that it comes with 5G, which is future-proofing the ability of this phone to connect to that network and give you super fast speeds. In conclusion, I think that the Nokia 8.3 is a really good phone for what it is. I'll be giving you my full review pretty much very soon. One of the downsides to this device that you'd find over time is the fact that it's really heavy. When you're using this for long, you begin to feel that weight. That being said, that's my initial impression and first look at the Nokia 8.3 5G. If you have any questions on the Nokia 8.3 5G or what you'd like to see me put out in my full review of this phone, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.